face.
He's pretty though. Undo his hand.
Almost look like each other.
They both got his alive. They both got short, fat hands.
These feel
Big as he is, he don't need to be on no diaper.
He cute.
yeah, that's how he was gonna be. It's sort of scary.
Because his eyes are open.
Why would you do that? He's looking at you just like, and I'm not kidding.
What?
Lord.
Dang!
I know who to get my church shoes.
Jay, let us pick him up. Oh, bring him here. Let me pick him up and see
Okay,
how
let
he
me get
feels.
his socks back on.
He got cute socks.
Daddy needs to pray over this dog. So.
Take
It's
it
so
back
big.
while we be playing with it in his room with his gold.
You feel how heavy he is? He is so cute. Look at his
You
cheeks.
can't put him in no carrier.
Oh my gosh. I told y'all he was fat and y'all was
We
like,
need
no,
to throw
that's...
this in the dryer to get this.
Y'all was like, no, that's too small. I told y'all he gonna fit that just fine.
Now Ava gets no love.
Yes,
Shoes on. Go with the type of shoes.
You feel
wearing.
Show Ava her brother.
Don't touch nothing. You better ask.
What is it?
Chicken nuggets with chili sauce.
You not gonna let him taste it?
Feel his hair.
So I don't know.
They good.
They are?
Don't write down.
Tastes like Mexican.
What?
Mexican food.
This is a 2X. He heavy. Oh yeah, hold him like that.
Whoa! Oh my gosh. He looks scary. Get him.
Who is in there?
I don't know. Show Ava so I can cut this off. There's Ava.
Brother Joshua said happy birthday, Jay.
Yeah, she just opened them up. He came yesterday.
I'm trying to undress him.
About 9
To
more
see
weeks
his
of
legs.
class now.
That is huge.
That's not long. He practiced but
Okay.
the clothes that we picked out,
Excuse the talking.
and the
Look
sizes
how
for
big
everybody and the sizes that they do have,
the
they're gonna
feet
cost more. It's going to be like
and the
30.
legs.
Some of them was 20.
The paint is good, though.
Even like 2 exercises were like going
Look
to
at
be
his
$30.
back.
Hmm.
I'm like, that's too
I'm
much.
at the unpack
So
now.
I told him that let me run up there to the store.
He is
and
fat.
Take a look. And
I was hoping he had a belly
store
plate,
down
but
there.
if he had a belly plate,
And
it'd be too big.
No.
flowy stuff in there.
Yeah.
What
And
size
I
diapers
was
is
gonna
it though?
come
Because
and
I can't buy
practice after
diapers
that, but I
unless
told her because she wanted me to pick her
Silver's
up
a size
when we got
6.
ready to come, and so she's trying to contact everybody.
And it's not even,
About
you know how
rescheduling.
diapers be like that on dolls?
I didn't tell
It's
her I
all the
was
way
going
down
to
here.
but I wanted to surprise her.
What is that? His hair?
Yeah. I guess. I hope it's his hair, not Carrie.
Oh gosh.
So everybody can try and meet.
I'll clean that later.
They try to get a performance in. I said try to perform the first Sunday of February. They give us.
His name is Easton Cash.
You can print one off of the internet.
So, 'cause, you know, we're supposed to be performing tomorrow, but we haven't closed. Tomorrow. It was supposed to be tomorrow. You know, we said the end of the month.
Cake and stuff up there.
You gotta talk louder.
Yeah. She told him, she said, Mom, me daddy said me can get some pieces.
We didn't think it was gonna fit.
Some one. She said, me want 2 pieces.
Yeah, it's gonna fit.
I couldn't help but laugh at it. She said, no, Mom.
I like that one, the Mickey.
Then, this is huge.
It's already 7 minutes.
You just stop recording. I'm just looking at his body.
Okay, well, that's it.
You don't sit down and
Look
leave
at
that
that
back.
fat.
I don't want to go back through there like this. Cause I ain't.
Eddie.
Yeah, I see it long. You
I
could
did
put
not
them
know.
on something else.
No, I just wanted to look at him.
Check out his paint.
You don't have no. She bought diapers for her. Well, you got newborn diapers for her.
Yeah.
Now she got to get diapers for him. Which I don't see. You better go to the Dollar Tree and see if they got them little dollar diapers in there. You know how they used to have some dollar diapers. Or see if Dollar
You
General
better
got
give him
them
a
dollar
pair of
diapers.
underwear.
Cause you ain't gonna find no camper diapers. No, cause you know he don't use it anyway. He need underwear. Just get you a pair of underwear and put them on.
Whoa.
This is like a sumo.
He got his hair all tore up. You being sort of rough with him, don't
You are.
Yes,
It's just
you
too
are.
much to handle.
He is a
Supposed to
lot.
be gentle with him.
He's heavy.
He got hair all over him. I'm talking about on his body.
Yeah, I know. I'm talking about, I think it's his
Yeah, go ahead, Gabby.
It looked like when she probably cut his hair and it got all over him. Get the vacuum hose and suck it off. Or from his eyebrows. You feel how rough his eyebrows are?
His eyebrows.
It's like they
She
put
cut
them in
'em.
and then cut them.
Yeah. Look at his eyes.
Anyway.
Look at those bumps.
Jay, I don't want to hear nothing else out of you about wanting no more dolls.
I do.
You know what I told her to break her. You know how the school project, they